My name's Helen and I'm a first-generation Greek Australian. My family are actually from the islands of Rhodo and Kalymnos in Greece. My parents came out to Australia by boat in the 1950s. Often Mum will tell us stories when we're having a lamb on the spit at Easter time about the journey and how hard it was to arrive in Australia without the language and how isolated they felt.
I am Maria Tuua. I come from the beautiful island of Samoa in the Pacific.
My life in Samoa, I was born with a nature of more like a princess. My biological parents, they related to the King Taufahau, and then come from Samoa, they related to the Maliato family as the first generation of the very first king. I used to run around, pick the flower, and I used to hop in the sea. It's a lovely feeling and emotion that I can think back about my island.
As a first-generation little Greek Australian, I had no issues. My brother was older. He went to school in the early 60s as the only Greek, and he did face issues. He couldn't speak English, he was called a little wog. I can't imagine the courage that it must take for people to come to Australia and not know the language.
When I first arrived in Australia, I find it really, really difficult to meet people and talk to people. When I first met Helen, I was a little bit scared because I don't know anything about Greek nationality, Maybe Helen don't like me or, I was assuming things. But after 2 days, it was magic. I've always loved my flower. People, you can see, oh my God, she probably come from an island. I'm going to go to my uncle's tomorrow just to prepare all this food. What I'm going to give Helen, it's the taro leaf. And then Helen never eat this. We cook in coconut cream. And it's so excited for me because I'm going to do exactly what my grandfather was usually taught to me.
I'm really looking forward to having Maria come over and her family share a meal with me and my children. And I've asked Mum to help because she's actually the one that has beautiful Greek dishes. So she's making dolmades for us.
What ingredients do you use, Yaya?
I have meat, minced meat, rice, maitanon,
Parsley. Well, we'll ask our friends and see what they think.
I am so excited to be here tonight. I'm thinking that Helen is cooking a lot of delicious food to welcome my Samoan family here.
Hello, welcome. We have a proud history within the family. You saw James. He's learnt from his grandfather to be the man to prepare the lamb. Food is the thread that is actually tying my family together and bringing us together.
This food is yum.
I should marry that Greek man.
It's never too late.
Almost 12 years now since I arrived. It's the first family ever in Australia to invite me for dinner. I believe our people comes from the same nationality like Helen, and that's why we got the same heart.
That is chef cook number 1.